This is the tutorial for exercise 19C from your beginning AutoCAD workbook. Okay, so our instructions for 19C say to use your border A file, create the multi-leader style that was shown on 19-4, draw the object shown below, use your layer object lines, dimension as shown, use class style dimensioning. Okay. Alright, so I have my border A file open. I'm going to do the middle rectangle first. It doesn't really matter. I'm on the wrong layer, so I'll have to fix that in a minute. 2.590. And the height is 1.620. I'm going to put in that direction, and I want to switch to my object line layer. Turn that off, and I'm just going to move this over a little bit by pushing Control and my arrow keys. There, something like that. Okay, so then I need two small rectangles, 0.85 by 1.175. I'm still on the wrong layer. There. Rectangle, dimension, 1.175 and 0.850. And the one on the other side is the same, so I'm just going to mirror this across. Turn my F8 on to get it straight and enter. Okay, I'm going to put my dimensions on. So I just have some linear dimensions. And I'm going to fix this one. I don't want that extension line going all the way in there. I only need it to there. One, two, three, four dimensions. So now let's do our leaders. So I have my class ML style already made. I'm going to go into my snaps, and I'm going to turn off everything except for nearest. So I want one here. Spacer 1. I want one here. I'm just going to try to eyeball line them up a little bit. Spacer 2. And one for my housing. Now when you do the housing one, make sure you cross over your dimension line, because part of the exercise is to use the break function. Okay, we want on the corners now. So we want break sharp edges. Okay, and we want to add some leaders. One, two, three. 2, 3, and let's do our dimension break. Okay, select the dimension to break. Select object to break the dimension. save as. Exercise 19C. I'm just going to fix my little block here. 19C. And if you don't change this, that's fine. You don't have to do the title every time, but try to at least get the number in there, please. Okay, so that's everything for exercise 19C. That's the end of the tutorial for exercise 19C.